Hey guys, and welcome to the next section called the Quick Access Toolbar. Now I'm just going to call it the Access Toolbar because that's a lot of words. Now that you guys are familiar with Microsoft Excel and the icons and scrolling and all those extra things, I'd like to teach you this awesome tool that it's just going to make your life so much easier once you've learned about it. Now, for those of you coming from Microsoft Excel 2003, you'll notice firstly the difference in the menu tabs. What you'll also notice is that the menu tab can be minimized, which gives you better visibility of your worksheet because it just gives you more room to work with. It just makes it a lot easier, especially with laptops with smaller screens. Now, for a lot of the functions, there are shortcuts, but not for all of them. And by shortcuts, I mean like hotkeys on the keyboard so that you don't have to use your mouse. So what Microsoft have done is they've developed something called the Quick Access Toolbar, right? Which, if I highlight it, is this top row of icons here. Okay? Now, I've got quite a number of them in there, but I'm going to show you guys how to put some in, take some out, rearrange them, and so on. Now, the benefit of having this is basically like this. If I open the Home tab and I'm doing something, let's say over here, and then I need to go into another tab to find something else, I have to go into this tab, I have to look what I'm looking for, let's say it's freeze paint or whatever, and then select it to activate it. Now what the Quick Access Toolbar is, it lets you take the icon you're using in this one, let's say it's the paste function, and then it lets you take another function from somewhere else, let's say it's whatever, this one, places it up here, right, if I can draw an arrow, so that they're right next to each other. And it doesn't matter if this is minimized, it'll always be there. It'll always be at the top. So that's what the Access Toolbar is. So now we're just going to go through how to manipulate it, put things in there, take things out, and so on. All right, guys, I will see you next time.